In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read a Snowflake query profile. First, we need to log into the Snow site, which is the Snowflake web interface. It's your main portal for managing and monitoring your Snowflake environment. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Snowflake website. Once there, you'll see an option to log in. Enter your credentials carefully and make sure you have the correct URL for your specific Snowflake account, usually in the format of your account name. snowflakecomputing.com. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard interface. Next, you'll head over to the Query History section. On the left-hand side of the Snow site interface, there's a menu filled with various options for managing your data warehouse environment. Scroll through these options until you find the Monitoring section. Under Monitoring, you'll see Query History. Go ahead and click on that. It might take a few seconds to load, depending on the number of queries you've previously executed, as it displays a list of queries executed in your account. Once you are on the Query History page, you will see each query listed by ID, along with execution time, user, and status information. This page is very significant because it allows you to see not just when and how long a query ran, but also offers insights into its performance and efficiency. Now, you'll want to select a specific query to analyze further. Carefully find the query ID of the query you're interested in. Clicking on this query ID will bring up a more detailed view of the execution. You're halfway through now, so let's switch to examining the query profile. Once you're on the Query Details page, you'll notice several tabs offering different aspects of query information. Look for and select the Query Profile tab. This is where the execution plan of your query is displayed in detail. When you click on it, an in-depth profile of your query's execution will unfold. You'll see various stages visualized in a diagram, each representing a step in the execution process. Pay particular attention to parts of the diagram that might indicate bottlenecks or inefficiencies. The stages are usually color-coded or numbered, providing a clear visual pathway of how your query was processed and executed. Understanding the query profile is crucial as it offers a wealth of information about optimization opportunities. For instance, longer execution times in certain stages might suggest areas where indexes could be added or where the query logic might be rearranged for better performance. Familiarizing yourself with these nuances will put you in a strong position to make your Snowflake queries more efficient. That wraps up our walkthrough. By following these steps, you should now be able to navigate Snowflake's Snow site, examine historical query data, and decipher the query profile to identify potential improvements in your query performance. Thanks for tuning in, and happy querying.